How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can use the options trigger in Geometry Dash. So I'm going to navigate through a new level right here, and then let's demonstrate on how we can use the options trigger. So of course, the first thing that you want to do is to just actually use the options trigger onto your level. So I'm just going to place it normally, and then it's going to be as simple as clicking on the edit object, and then it will do this multiple objects or options right here. So if we do something like hide player one, it will simply go ahead and do that. I'm also going to click on the spawn trigger, and so if we simply go ahead and touch our option trigger, it will now do the commands listed on the options itself. So I've enabled it as a touch trigger, so I'm only going to trigger this options trigger if I go ahead and touch it. Now we could navigate through the second option and do something like boost slide, response time, and many more. So you could adjust this accordingly if you want to. So let's go ahead and only hide the player one. And for the second one, I'm also going to hide the attempts. And then of course you could do whatever you want to on the options trigger, and that's going to be it. Now our character is hidden. And if you want to enable it again, I'm just going to copy and paste this, edit object, and then let's click off. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.